This is the most important project I worked on in the last 20 years. It's a book called Clear Slides, a doctor's guide to turn complex ideas into clear presentations. I wrote it because too many brilliant presentations fail, not because the ideas are weak, but because the slides get in the way of the message. This book is my attempt to change that. So, I'd like to answer three simple questions regarding the book. First, what is it? Second, what does it do? And third, why should you care? Let's start with the first question. What exactly is Clear Slides? It's not a book about PowerPoint, it's not a book about graphic design, and it's definitely not a collection of PowerPoint templates. It's a practical guide to explaining complex ideas in a way that's easy for people to understand. Whether you're presenting research, teaching students, speaking at a conference, pitching a grant, or explaining a new treatment to your colleagues, the goal is always the same. Help your audience understand your message the first time they see it. But here is the part I am most proud of. I didn't want to write another presentation book that feels more like homework than something you would actually enjoy reading. So I wrote it differently. I wrote it as a story that teaches. The book follows a seasoned cardiologist, Dr. Arjun Mehta, over the course of a year. His presentations are not landing, his slides are cluttered, he is working incredibly hard, but his audience is not seeing the quality of his thinking. Then he meets a senior mentor, Dr. Meena Rao, and presentation by presentation, conversation by conversation, she teaches him to see slides in a completely different way. Every principle in the book naturally appears through Arjun's journey. The thing is, you don't just learn what works, you discover why it works because you watch him get it wrong first. And yes, Arjun makes plenty of mistakes along the way. Some of them will probably remind you of your own mistakes, and some of them are genuinely funny. I didn't want Arjun to be the perfect presenter. I wanted him to be someone you would recognize. There is plenty of humor woven into the story, making the learning as enjoyable as it is practical. Which brings us to the second question, which is what does the book actually do? It teaches you to look at your slides through your audience's eyes. What might seem perfect to you might in fact be quite confusing to them. And you see, most of us create slides by asking, what information should I put on this slide? But that is the wrong question. The better question is, what does my audience need to understand at this moment? That one shift changes everything. It changes what you include, what you leave out, how you organize your information, how you explain data, and ultimately whether people remember what you said after the presentation is over. What makes the learning different in this book is that you are not reading a list of rules. You're watching Arjun prepare for grand rounds, revise conference presentations, struggle with difficult feedback, and gradually become the presenter he always had the potential to be. And you are learning alongside him. By the end of the book, you are no longer trying to remember my points, you are beginning to think the way Meena thinks. And that is the real goal. And finally, why should you care? Because your presentations matter more than you probably realize. A great idea doesn't create impact on its own. People have to understand it, they have to believe it, and they have to remember it. And that's true whether you're presenting at grand rounds, defending your research, speaking at a medical conference, or explaining a new idea to your own department. Your slides can either make it easier or harder for your audience. And the thing is, most of us never realize when we are doing this. You see, when I started teaching presentation design over 20 years ago, I thought I was helping people make better slides. Over time, I realized I was really helping them explain their thinking more clearly. And that changed the way I taught. And eventually, it became this book. I also realized something else. People don't change because they have read another checklist. They change because they see someone else wrestle with the same problems they are facing. And that's why I chose to teach through a story instead of a lecture. Instead of being told what to do, you experience the transformation with Arjun. And that makes the idea easier to understand, easier to believe, easier to remember, and more importantly, easier to apply. Inside the book, you will find practical examples, before and after transformations, communication principles backed by latest research, clear takeaways at the end of every chapter, and additional resources so you can enhance your knowledge even further. Don't think of this book as a collection of 18 different chapters. Think of it as 1 year in one doctor's career. Each chapter solves another presentation challenge. Each conversation with Meena builds another communication skill. Each presentation moves Arjun one step closer to becoming the presenter he wants to be. By the last page, you've not only learned the principles, you've lived through them. And if you have ever walked away from a presentation thinking, I know my work deserved a better response, then I think you will find something valuable in clear slides. I hope you will also find something else, that learning how to present doesn't have to feel like homework. It can be thoughtful, practical, and even enjoyable. And that was one of my goals when I wrote this book. Clear Slides is now available for pre order. If you would like to be among the first to receive it, you will find the link below. I would be truly honored if you picked up a copy. And I hope that somewhere along the way, Arjun's journey helps make your own a little bit easier. I'll see you inside the book.